On my way to the river that December evening, I had been feeling quite depressed. I have to admit that I didn't really feel like going anywhere. The sky was leaden. It was pretty cold. These days I'm finding that life is getting more and more difficult. That was when it happened, the miracle in front of my eyes. I stood transfixed. Within the space of about 20 minutes, the sky and the reflections in the water changed so dramatically, and in a way I had never seen before. The colours were amazing, and the changes so incredible that by the time I had left, I knew that God, the Creator, was encouraging me to not only in Him and in His awesome power, but that He was still at work in my life. I certainly needed this message from Him. Life was becoming almost impossible. But these glimpses of God's power lifted me up, even if only for a short while. I share these few snapshots now in the hope that they can somehow help other people to be encouraged by even the smallest everyday experience, and that they can be lifted out of their immediate problems and experience hope again.